How do I reset the ice maker on my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to reset the ice maker on your Whirlpool refrigerator. This is a common issue that many Whirlpool refrigerator users face, and the solution is surprisingly simple.
Why might you need to reset your ice maker?
Sometimes your refrigerator's ice maker may stop working correctly due to a minor system error. This could be a sensor problem, or something might be blocking the ice-making mechanism. When this happens, resetting the ice maker can often solve the issue without needing a technician.
How do you know if your ice maker needs a reset?
If your ice maker is not producing ice slowly, or making smaller ice cubes than usual, these could be signs that it needs to be reset. Before resetting, it's a good idea to check if the water supply is functioning correctly and the freezer temperature is set correctly.
The steps to reset your Whirlpool ice maker.
1. Locate the ice maker. Find the ice maker inside your freezer. It's typically installed on the top left side. 2. Switch off. Most Whirlpool models have a switch or a lever to turn off the ice maker. Flip this switch to the off position or lift the lever until it clicks into place. 3. Wait. Leave the ice maker off for a minimum of 30 seconds. 4. Switch on. After waiting, turn the ice maker back on by flipping the switch back or lowering the lever. 5. Check. After a couple of hours, check your ice maker to see if it's producing ice. Please note, these steps may vary slightly depending on the exact model of your Whirlpool refrigerator. And there you have it. You've learned how to reset the ice maker on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Remember, if your ice maker still doesn't work properly after resetting, it might be time to call in a technician for help. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you can enjoy your cold beverages again soon. Thank you for watching.